rules of negatives with multiplication and division is what we're going to look at in this video. So we're going to cover all 4 scenarios, starting with, well, how do you multiply 2 negative numbers? How do you divide 2 negative numbers? How do you multiply a negative and a positive number? And how do you divide a positive and a negative number? So let's make a start. The way my videos work, I'm going to do the example on the left, which is I do. You are then going to press pause and have a go at the example on the right, which is you do. So remember, the signs are the same. So here we have 2 negative numbers. The answer just becomes a positive. So that answer here is 15. Okay, when you have 2 negative signs, the answer becomes a positive. And hopefully you've pressed pause and had a go at this. So the answer 4 times 2 is 8. And the sign is positive because we have 2 negatives. Okay, when the signs are the same, the answer is positive. So again here, we have 2 negative numbers. The signs are the same on both, so the answer is going to be positive 4. And again, hopefully you've pressed pause and had to go at this. We're dividing, so we have 10 divided by 2, and that is 5. Again, the sign is positive because when you have 2 of the same signs, it gives you a positive. So here's some practice questions you had to go at. Press pause and have a go. Here are the answers, mark your work. Now moving on, when you have a positive number, so here we have a positive 5 and a negative 2, the answer then becomes a negative. Okay, so what's 5 times 2? It's 10, and we're going to have a negative at the front of it. Again, hopefully you've pressed pause and had to go at this. Here we have a negative and a positive. So when the signs are the opposite, so we have 1 negative, 1 positive, the answer becomes a negative. That's negative 20, and that also applies to division. So here I can see immediately the sign is going to be negative because we have a positive and a negative. So the answer here is 4. And again, hopefully you've pressed pause and had to go at this. So the sign is going to be a negative. 3 divided by 30 is going to give us 10 there. And again, here's some practice questions you should have a go at. Press pause and have a go. Here are the answers, mark your work. And if you would like a full worksheet on this, I'll link it in the comments down below. And if you did find this useful, I've got loads of other content like this on my channel. Do check it out. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.